Hi, Philip here from Big Phil YouTube channel, and today really short unboxing of HomePod's Mini. Enjoy! And let's check now the HomePod Mini Black. Come on. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, it's a first surprise for me. There's a USB Type-C cable. And there's some manual. The instruction how to set it up and a sticker. And also there is a USB Type-C charging brick. So if you don't have one and then you have your new iPhone with you, then you can use any charger with the USB Type-C, and you can use this as your travel companion for your iPhone, or just keep it here and using it with your HomePod Mini. And here at the top you have plus and minus, which is for lowering the volume of your music and putting up your volume of your music. And then if you tap in the middle, you will pause or you will start playing a music. I'll just double check what's inside here. As predicted, there's a USB sticker. There is an Apple sticker and some documents and a quick start guide for you how to set the HomePod. Why did I bought it? Actually, I wanted to set them up here underneath the big monitor, the 34-inch curved monitor, and have a stereo sound to hear better videos I'm editing and to actually listen to music when I work. Not always I need to wear my headphones, but very often I like to listen to my music when I actually work. And I have a big HomePod, the original one, in my bedroom, but it's better to have those speakers paired as stereo here instead of like streaming the music and listening them through doors. Nonetheless, I actually considering moving one HomePod to the living room where there's a kitchen and living space, and using that over there as a voice assistant instead of using constantly everything on my phone. So I'll see how it goes with the setup here to use that as a stereo speakers, and then I will decide if I want to move it to the living space or just to use it here in my work space. And I've just finished synchronizing and updating and setting up my HomePods, and they're ready to play stereo underneath my screen. So now it's a time to put them to the test. And I use Epidemic Sound, and it's royalty-free music. Well, I do have a monthly subscription with them, so I can use the music on my YouTube channel, so there's gonna be no copyright strike when I publish this video. If you're interested in that service, which Epidemic Sounds provides, please click the link down below underneath the video. Let's now start this test, and I will record it with my phone. Let's see. Good sound, really good sound. So the bass is not as rich as in a normal HomePod, however they sound really amazing, and I'm really happy with that. And I want to thank you to Eva, who had an employee discount, and I've managed to buy them at around 70 quid. What else? The weird thing, when you put the volume up or put the volume down, there's a slight delay between two speakers, so one will go first and then the second will follow. However, that's actually a split second, so it's not really something which I'm going to complain about. Ask me about in a couple of months. I think that's the end of today's unboxing and a play with those two HomePods. Yeah. Please feel free to ask me any question if you have any, and just drop them in the comment section down below the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this and to follow journey of my fitness transformation as well as new series of Two Faces of Edinburgh. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!